Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a pair of jeans.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I usually wear medium, size 32.
All right, we have some new styles here. Let me show you.
Okay, thank you.
How about this one? It's very popular.
It looks nice. Do you have colors like that?
We have this style in light blue, dark indigo, and charcoal gray.
Do you have it in black?
Yes, we do. Go.
Great, can I try it?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How does it fit?
It fits well. I like it.
That's great. It suits you. It's $40.
Do you have any discount?
Yes, we have 10% off today. So the final price is $36.
Nice. Okay, I'll take it.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card. Please tap your card here. Done.
Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Here you go. You're welcome. Have a great day.